It's MC Monty in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monty. And in this video, I'm finishing up the Batman. Yeah. Before I get into this video, I have to say thank you to all of you. I am now at 1,000 subscribers. So thank you to all of you who have subscribed, and thank you to everybody who's been watching and sharing my videos. In this video, I'll be making the Batman cowl. This is the final piece that I need to complete the rest of this cosplay. I made this cowl using 4mm EVA foam. It slides on and closes at the front of the neck like so. So one thing that I could have done better is to cover up my ears all the way. So you see the lower part of my ears are sticking out. So this part should be slightly forward so it covers up my ears more. So when you do your cowl, don't make the same mistake I did. Make sure this part covers your ears the right amount. Remember to hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. As usual, everything you need is listed in the description below. Gather your supplies and let's get Batman's cowl done. Print out your patterns and cut them out. Get them ready. Let's go. We're going to start with these patterns first. Cut out 2 of 3. Cut out 2 of 4. Cut out 2 of number 6. Cut out 2 of number 7. Remember to include the darts on number 3, 4, and 7. And cut out 2 of 8. Now on number 7, the ears for number 7 are going to be cut on a bevel. So remember to cut that as a bevel. I'm starting by closing all the darts on piece number 3, number 4, and number 7. Then I'm attaching piece number 8 to the bottom of piece number 7. The ear sticking up is the top. The part away from the ear is the back of the helmet. Attach part number 6 to the top of part number 7, starting at the back. But wait, I forgot to cut out piece number 5. So before we finish connecting piece number 6, we have to cut out piece number 5 and attach it to the front of piece number 7 and 8. And then we can finish attaching piece number 6 at the top to the top of piece number 5. Next, I'm using my heat gun to give some more shape and form and to allow the foam to work with me better. And this is what you should have so far. Next, I'm going to take piece number 3 and 4 and connect them. Piece number 4 forms the forehead, and piece number 3 gives you the eye hole. And then I'm going to take those pieces and connect them to the front of 6 and 5. And this forms the front of the cowl, the forehead, and the eyes. And when that's finished, your piece should look like this. Repeat all of those steps for the other side of the cowl, and then you will have two halves that look like this. Next, I'm cutting out the nose piece. This is how I beveled the center piece of the nose. I turned my knife on a 45-degree angle and cut through the foam to give me a bevel. I wanted to show this just in case people still don't know what it means to do a bevel cut, or need to see it, or just need practice. So this is how you do your bevel cuts. If you still need practice, practice a few times on some scrap EVA foam, and when you finish, it should look like this. You need to cut out piece number 1 and 2 of piece number 2 and create the nose. Connect piece number 2 to piece number 1. After your nose piece is formed, connect your nose piece to the first 2 halves of the cowl that you created. And then connect the center seam. At this point, I'm using my heat gun again to mold the EVA foam more and to soften it up and shape it and curve it the way I needed to curve it. And at this point, you can also shape the eyebrows and the side of the cowl if you want to give it more of that prominent shape like he has in the movie. The eyebrows and the temple and the side of the head really have hard dominant shapes and curves. You can use your heat gun to get those shapes in the EVA foam. Next, cut out the back of the headpiece. I just cut it out into one piece by mirroring the pattern, and I had one continuous piece. And then you connect that piece to the bottom of the back of the cowl. Next, I'm going to create the front and side of the neck closure. Cut out 1 of number 11 and cut out 2 of the piece number 10. And I'm using a Velcro closure. So I'm putting on my Velcro so that the neck can close and open in the front. And then I'm completing the other piece, closing the other piece and forming it with the heat gun. Next, I'm attaching that front of the neck closure piece to the front of the cowl at this point. And the last piece that needs to be connected is the back of the neck piece, and so I'm just mirroring this piece again so I have one continuous piece. I'm going to actually make the pattern with these 2 pieces connected so that you have one less step to do. But I didn't think of that for myself, so now I have to glue this back of the next piece into place. And I had a little extra, so I just trim it off with the scissors. And when you're done, your cowl should look like this with your neck closure able to open and close with the Velcro. Now I'm going to finish the ears. I cut out 2 of the inner ear pieces out of 2mm EVA foam. This long pointy side goes to the back. So close your ears with this 2mm, or it can be 3mm inner ear piece. And finally, I cleaned all of my seams and whatever else I needed to clean with my Dremel. Did a couple of passes with the Dremel again. And tried to clean up any spots, gaps, seam holes, bad seam lines. And I filled in any of those same gaps and seams and holes with quick seal and got it ready to paint. Then I took it outside and I did 2 coats of plaster dip. I'm using my helmet helper stand to hold the cowl. If you want to make a helmet helper stand, it's quick and easy. I can link that in the description below as well. After 2 coats of plaster dip, I did 1 coat of black paint. And there you have it. Your Batman cowl is done and your Batman cosplay is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you enjoyed this series. Leave me a comment and let me know how you did. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up so I get that like and subscribe. Thank you once again to my 1,000 subscribers. Let's stay in touch and I'll see you next time. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. Peace.